Here's a best quality YouTube style article on the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Swift, written for Indian viewers and enthusiasts, in about 1500 words and crafted to be engaging, informative, and perfect for a YouTube description or blog. Focusing on why it's so popular with both youth and families in India. Car region letter I region letter N without headings is requested. The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Swift has arrived with a bang, and it's once again proven why it's one of the most loved and talked about hatchbacks in India. Whether you are a young driver looking for a sporty, stylish ride or a family seeking a dependable, efficient daily use car, the new Swift manages to tick nearly every box, blending modern design, smart technology, solid performance, and impressive economy in a way few competitors can match. With each new generation, Swift has evolved without losing the essence that made it a household name across Indian cities, towns, and highways. Fun to drive, easy to live with, and excellent value for money. In 2026, Maruti Suzuki has upped the ante, rethinking the car for a new era while keeping its core DNA intact. Times Bull Jorek. From the moment you see it, the 2026 Swift grabs attention. The design retains the hatchback's iconic compact silhouette but adds sharper lines, bold LED headlamps with sleek daytime running lights, a refreshed grille, and sporty alloy wheels. Maruti has also introduced new dual-tone color options, giving the car a premium and youthful appearance that resonates especially with younger buyers who want a vehicle that looks modern and stands out on the road. Despite being compact enough for easy city parking and traffic navigation, it appears confident and energetic, a perfect visual blend of practical urban design and dynamic style. Dr. Forum Clinic Jorek. Step inside, and the cabin shows that Maruti Suzuki didn't just focus on looks, comfort and tech were top priorities as well. The dashboard is redesigned with better materials, improved ergonomics, and a more upscale feel when compared to older models. A large, responsive touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center, offering smooth connectivity for smartphones via wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The digital instrument cluster gives the driver clear and modern readouts, while features like automatic climate control, wireless phone charging, push-button start, and rear AC vents add to a practical convenience that families will appreciate during daily commutes or long road trips. Improved seat cushioning, increased noise insulation, and thoughtful ergonomics make the Swift comfortable for both front and rear passengers, ensuring that everyone enjoys the ride. Mitravanqueen.in Jorek. One of the biggest talking points of the 2026 Swift, and something that truly appeals to both young professionals and families, is the hybrid enhanced engine technology. Maruti Suzuki has introduced a new 1.2 Yojak Chin LiTRE petrol engine paired with either mild hybrid assistance or a strong hybrid system, depending on the variant. The hybrid system uses electric torque to smoothly assist the petrol engine, especially at lower speeds, resulting in effortless city driving with reduced fuel consumption and emissions. Many buyers in India today are extremely conscious of mileage and running costs, and the new Swift delivers with claimed figures that can be as high as up to 35-30 km/h, making it one of the most efficient hatchbacks in its segment. This doesn't just save money at the pump, it also reduces stress on the owner over many years of driving. Mitravanqueen.in Jorek. For city driving, that efficiency and smooth low-end torque make a huge difference. Swift's engine is tuned to be responsive in traffic, making everyday commuting a less tiring experience. Pickup speed on the highway, and the balance between performance and economy continues to impress. You don't necessarily need a high-powered engine to enjoy driving. The Swift setup provides enough punch for quick overtakes and relaxed cruising at highway speeds. Combined with its light handling, agile steering, and well-balanced suspension, the driving experience feels confident and fun whether you're going to work, college, or planning a weekend getaway. Future Mobile. Safety has also been significantly enhanced in the 2026 model, another reason families trust Swift as a primary car. Modern variants come equipped with multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, and advanced driver aid features in higher trims. Some versions even include 360-degree camera systems and blind spot detection to help maneuver in tight situations. In India, where road conditions and traffic scenarios vary widely, these safety improvements matter a lot to buyers who are more aware than ever about protecting their loved ones on the road. MitraVanqueen.in. Even though Swift has always been known as a relatively affordable car, Maruti Suzuki continues to keep pricing competitive, especially after the recent tax reductions for small cars in India that helped lower sticker prices across popular models. Thanks to a reduction in GST on small vehicle segments, buyers can get more features for their money without stretching their budget too far, making Swift a value proposition hard to beat in its class. The Times of India. Part of what makes Swift so beloved in India is the heritage and trust it has built over 2 decades. First launched in 2005, Swift quickly became a favorite among Indian buyers thanks to its charming blend of performance, reliability, and affordability. Over the years it has sold millions of units across the country, building a strong reputation and fan base that eagerly awaits each new generation. The 2026 version continues this legacy, bringing modern improvements without alienating longtime fans of the model. The Economic Times. In terms of practicality, Swift remains a perfectly balanced car for a wide range of buyers. For younger drivers, it presents a sporty feel, fresh style, and modern tech suite that elevates everyday driving into something enjoyable. For families, it's a reliable and economical car with enough space for 4 to 5 people, sufficient boot capacity for grocery runs or luggage on short trips, and the safety features needed for everyday peace of mind. This makes it an ideal choice for varied use, from college runs and office commutes to long journeys with family or friends. Times Bull. Tech lovers will also appreciate the connected features in the Swift 2026. With smart connectivity systems, smartphone integration, and potentially even connectivity apps that allow remote monitoring and vehicle status checks, the car moves well into the digital age. These features might seem unattainable in older hatchbacks, but Swift brings them together in an accessible package for the Indian market. Young buyers especially enjoy this kind of tech, which not only enhances convenience but also makes the driving experience feel futuristic and fun. Maruthistoragenu.blog.co.windows.net. Owner experiences so far, shared on social platforms, highlight another important point: reliability and low maintenance costs. Many Swift owners report that it's easy to live with the car long-term, service intervals are reasonable, parts and servicing are widely available across India thanks to Maruti's extensive network, and the overall cost of ownership remains low compared to many other cars in the segment. These real-world advantages matter a lot to first-time buyers and families alike when they think beyond the initial purchase price to what the car will cost over many years of use. Reddit. Something else worth noting is how Swift makes everyday life easier in Indian conditions. Its compact size ensures it's easy to navigate narrow lanes and crowded streets found in many Indian cities, while the light steering and small turning radius take the stress out of parking. At the same time, its practical ergonomics, including good visibility from the driver's seat, easy-to-use controls, and comfort-oriented design, help in long traffic snarls and highway travels alike. Autogyandigital.in. As 2026 unfolds, Maruti Suzuki is riding high on strong growth in domestic sales, especially in the small car segment where Swift plays a key role. The company's broader performance in India reflects the ongoing demand for well-priced, efficient vehicles that cater to the needs of everyday users, and Swift remains right at the heart of this success. Reuters. In a market crowded with competitors, from budget hatchbacks to premium compact cars, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Swift still manages to stay relevant and desirable. Its combination of style, efficiency, technology, affordability, and brand trust makes it a standout choice, one that continues to appeal to young buyers who want flair and modern features, and families who need practicality, safety, and economy. Whether you are a first-time car buyer, a daily commuter, or someone looking to upgrade to a smarter, more efficient vehicle, the new Swift represents a compelling package that remains hard to beat in its class. If you're considering your next car and want a vehicle that feels youthful, economical, and reliable all at once, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Swift deserves serious attention. It's not just another hatchback, it's a statement of smart choices, blending fun and function in a way that resonates deeply with India's diverse driving needs. If you'd like, I can tailor this into a YouTube script format with timestamps and narration, or create a SEO title Joel tags for posting. Oncoming Car 1.